before you throw away those overripe mangoes, wait a second. You can turn them into one of the most refreshing summer drinks ever. Sweet, sour, salty, and a little spicy, this mango drink is seriously addictive. Welcome back to Easy Genius DIY. Today, I'll show you how to make a delicious homemade mango drink using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. It's cold, fruity, refreshing, and perfect for hot days. Let's start. First, take one very ripe mango and wash it well. Peel the mango and cut the flesh into small pieces. The riper the mango is, the sweeter and more flavorful your drink will be. Save a few mango chunks for later because we'll add them into the drink at the end. Next, take one chili pepper. Slice it into very thin strips. This may sound unusual, but the chili gives the drink an amazing flavor combination. The final taste will be sweet, sour, salty, and slightly spicy. Now, place most of the mango pieces into a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. If you don't have a blender, you can mash the mango with a spoon instead. Pour the blended mango into a pot. Add about 2 glasses of water and stir gently before turning on the heat. Cook over low heat while slowly stirring. This helps bring out the natural sweetness and aroma from the mango. Once the mixture starts boiling, add a small pinch of salt, the sliced chili, and juice from half a lime. Stir everything together well. Now, your mango drink will have an incredible balance of flavors. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly. Fill a glass with ice. Pour the mango drink over the ice and add the fresh mango chunks you saved earlier. You can also blend it with ice to make a refreshing mango smoothie. For extra flavor, sprinkle a little chili salt on top. And that's it! An easy homemade mango drink that tastes fresh, fruity, and perfect for summer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart recipes and creative ideas from Easy Genius DIY. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.